I was at a brokerage at one point that there was a lot of promise, and that's exactly what I called it: overpromising and underdelivering.
Mm-hmm.
And the goal for all those people is like 1 million GCI, right? So I get to 1 million GCI, I made it, I'm a somebody. It's like kind of ego based. And when you're moving in that direction without the right partners and the right alignment, you 15 million, 30 million, to now I can see how I can do $10 million a year, partnering with the right people where everybody can make money and I don't need to beat them down to be the leader.
So maybe you can talk a little bit about how you made the decision of who you were going to partner with, because I'm aware that this is like relationships plus value over time.
Sure.
And we've had relationships, over an extended period of time, but also that value piece. And sometimes people imagine, just because we know each other and we're cool, that should do it.
Yeah.
Where they forget about the value piece. So maybe you talk a little bit about that.
What's important to you, right? So if what is important to you is showing off and going to fancy parties, you're probably going to choose a different agent to partner with, right? If what's important to you is creating an income and having what you need to provide for your family, you're 100% going to partner with an elite builder. You taught me exactly what to say, how to say it, what to do to make money now.
Yeah.
And I needed money now.
Yeah.
So for me, that was a no-brainer.
Yeah. That's awesome. But I think both of you guys like about a year.
Right.
And you've been elite builders for like about a year. Maybe share like your experience up until this point, because I think a lot of people, just in general in life, because I think marketers, they can oftentimes kind of overpromise and underdeliver. So it's like, oh yeah, all this stuff is going to happen. This is going to be great, blah, blah, blah. And then like you actually get in and you're like, this isn't what I thought it was. So maybe you talked a little bit about that versus the value that's promised and the value that's delivered.
I love that you used overpromise and underdeliver, because I was at a brokerage at one point that there was a lot of promise, and that's exactly what I called it: overpromising and underdelivering.
Mm-hmm.
And, many broken promises, many things that said that were going to be done and never happened. So, you always get left with kind of a bad taste.
Yeah.
And then when you do join an organization where it is met, all the things that have been promised, it is a breath of fresh air.
Yeah.
And you feel so empowered by all the value that is actually given to you or provided to you.
That's awesome. Well, it means I'm so happy that that's your experience, because that 1000% is the intention.
So I would call myself like a mid-producing agent. And I think a lot of agents who come from our coaching that we've all done are in the same place, like 25 to 75. And the goal for all those people is like 1 million GCI, right? So I get to 1 million GCI, I made it, I'm a somebody. It's like kind of ego based. And when you're moving in that direction without the right partners and the right alignment, you are burning out. Like you're hitting the ceiling. You don't have the right systems. No one's teaching you those systems. You don't have the right agents to help you perform because you don't know how to partner with people in a way that's collaborative versus pushing them down. So you're not able to grow together, and you're constantly hitting this wall that you cannot get past. So for me, partnering with you took me from a mid-level agent that kept banging my head on the wall at like 50 to 75, 15 million, 30 million, to now I can see how I can do $10 million a year, partnering with the right people where everybody can make money and I don't need to beat them down to be the leader.
Yeah.
And I have the right systems that I've been trained in to not hate my life.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
Like we're able to do these things because we have the right mentorship and guidance. So for me, it's been life-changing.
On that note, I want to know from these two ladies, like what their vision is in, being within EXP, being within the elite builders. Like what is your ultimate vision of like, what you can grow?
Oh, y'all need to give me an hour for that.
I like that you're thinking really big.
Yeah. I know my God-given mission is to help the disenfranchised and empower them. My personal story, I know that I'm here for a purpose, and EXP gave me the ability to really, truly do that. All the agents who partner with me, you guys watch them probably, right? They are not what you think of as successful. They have gone through a lot of hardships, a lot of adversity, and what we have given them has empowered them to be wealthy, create wealth, and also invest wealth and have multiple income streams, something that most women don't even talk about. We don't even know about, right?
Yeah.
it's really been life-changing for me being here. And I don't want to take up too much time, but I could go on and on about it.
Yeah.
No, I think that's amazing. Like, you definitely have a purpose. You're here for a reason. And I'm like so here for it. I'm ready to watch you go all the way.
Yeah, and it reminds me of like how when we had dinner, maybe it was like 2 years ago, and you told me a story that I don't think you shared with a lot of people. And when you told it to me, I was like, immediately what I say to you.
You need to share that with the world.
Yeah, I'm like, you need to share that with everybody. Like everybody needs to hear that. And you were like, at the time. And now you've grown into, like more people do need to hear that, because it's not really about you. It's not about kind of what you've personally been through. It's more about, hey, this is a story that can empower others.
Yeah,
right?
Inspiring.
Super inspiring.
Even if you haven't gone through something similar, it's like, what are my excuses? Like, look what she has gone through and look where she is. Like, what's my excuse?
I mean, I think all of us are really here to help people.
Yeah.
And that's why we've been growing at this rate, because we're genuinely really helping people.
Yeah.
And there's a need for it that wasn't being met elsewhere.